Hello, am I audible? It is. কি করিম? Hello, am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, yes, yes, thank you. Okay, I will start the class after 10 minutes, okay? Hello, I'm audible, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, thank you.
Yes, ma'am.
It was giving some problem since the last class. Now just I have the meeting correct. So let us wait for 10 minutes, then we will start our class. Let everybody join, then we will start the class. Okay. Let us start with the class. I hope I am audible to you. I'm audible, right?
Ma'am, yes. Good
Yes,
morning.
ma'am.
Good morning. Okay, let me share my screen. Okay, so last class we have discussed about the population forecasting methods, and among them we have done the arithmetic increase method. Okay, so arithmetic increase method was done. So next method of population forecasting is your geometric increase method. Okay, so geometric increase method, basically this method is used in a city where suppose the population it's been increasing uniformly. Okay, so per decade or per year the population it's been increasing. In that kind of city, the geometric increase method is being used, and most nowadays your to forecast the population, this method, geometric increase method, is being used. Okay, and this method, it is, you know, like it is the constant, the percentage of the growth rate, it is assumed to be constant here. That means the population it's been increasing in a city where the population is increasing. So in that kind of this city where industrialization is more, so in that kind of cities the geometric increase method is used. So here the numerical, we have one formula here. So like your arithmetic increase method, here also we have one formula. So it's a similar kind of formula, which is your, this formula you can see, Pn is equal to P naught 1 plus R by 100 to the power n. Okay, so here the notations that P naught, Pn, then this these are the same. Okay, these are same as that of your arithmetic increase method, where Pn we have the future population which we are going to find out. So Pn is that one, and P naught is the, you know, the initial population or the last population that it is given in the question. So that will be your P naught. Then here R we are getting here a new term is there in this geometric increase method, that is R. So R is the growth rate that you assume. Okay, so the assumed growth rate, and for finding this R we have another formulas. Okay, for finding the R we have another formulas, and N is it is the, you know, the like decades. Okay, the time in decades. So the to find out the R, that is your assumed growth rate, so we have three kinds of formulas here. So this formula you can see, uh, this is one formula by which you can find out the assumed growth rate, that is R. Then again, this one is one formula, and this is the third formula that you can see. Okay, so while doing the numerical, we will be using any one of these formulas, and we can find out easily the value of assumed growth rate. Okay, so now let us continue to do one of the numerical. So the numerical, it is the same numerical that you have done for arithmetic increase method, that the numerical is this one. Okay, so here this is the numerical, the same numerical they are doing it for your arithmetic increase method, for geometric increase method, and for your the next one, incremental increase method. So three questions, the same question but different formulas we are using. Okay, so this is the question. So the year from 1930 to 1970 it's been given. So 1930 your population is given, up to 1970 the population is given to you. So you have to find out the population for the next for the next 3 decades, that is your from 1970 to the next 3 decades, that is 1980, 1990 and 2000, you have to find out. So by now you have to find out by using geometric increase method. So that will be mentioned in your question whether you need to do by arithmetic increase method, or you need to do by geometric increase method, or you need to do it by incremental increase method. Okay, so the question is same here. So let us proceed to our solution, how to do. So here basically you have to make four columns you have to make. Okay, so up to here the in arithmetic increase method up to column 3 you have already we have already done. Yes, so it's this up to column 3, this one this one is the given in question only. A year you have written from 1930 to 1970. Then population is also given according to the years. So increase in population in each decade you have found out by subtracting this 28,000 minus 25,000, that is P2 minus P1, then P3 minus P2. Okay, 34,000 minus 28,000. So like this, you have already found out these values in your arithmetic increase method. So this is up to here, this is same. Okay, the process is same. Now you need to find out the, the growth rate. Okay, the growth rate you need to find out. So the growth rate formula you can see here, it's written that it is column 3, okay, column 3, that is this column divided by column 1. Okay, no, sorry, it will not be column 1, it will be column 2. Okay, so it will not be column 1, it will be column 2. Column 3 divided by column 2 into 100. Okay, since the growth rate is in percentage, so you need to multiply it by 100. So basically it is your column 3 divided by your column 2, that is increase in population in each decade divided by your population. So you are, and you have to multiply it by 100 so that you get it the answer in your percentage. So similarly for this one, for 3000 increase, the increase in population for 3000, so it's 3000 divided by 25,000. Okay, so you are getting multiplied by 100, you are getting 12%. Similarly for 6,000, you divide it by 28,000. Okay, multiply by 100, it is a 21.4. Okay, similarly you do the next two. Okay, like 8,000 divided by 34,000, 5,000 divided by your 42,000. So it is similar. So now after you got all these percentage rate, that is a percentage growth rate, that is one is 12%, then next one you got 20. So all total you got here four values. Okay, you all total you have got here four values. This is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4. Okay, so up to here the table is, your table work is finished. So next we have to move on to our next step for your finding out the geometric mean of this as your growth rates. Okay, we have to go to the geometric growth rate, we have to find out. So you have got three formulas. So using any of the three formulas, you can use any of the three formulas. So in this book they have used the third formula, that is your root over R1 into R2. So it was like that. Okay, so it was like R1 multiplied by R2, okay, multiplied by R3 dot dot dot. What is the last R is given, value is given to you, so it is root over that one. Okay, so accordingly they have put it here, they have put here. So it is root over, here it was in the formula. Okay, it was the n, it was n over, yeah, it was t. Okay, so it was t root over t root over your R1, R2, R3, R4, like that. Okay, so what is the t? We are getting here the 4, we have 4 values we got in the column, right? So 4 values, this 12, 21.4 and 23.4 and 11.9. So we have got 4 values. For that reason we are putting here 4. So if in the table you have got 5 values of growth rates, increased growth rates, so you will be putting in place of 4, you will be putting here 5. So like that, if there is 6 values, so you will put it here 6. Okay, like that. So here there are 4 values, 12, 21.4, 23.5 and 11.9. So all total there are 4 increased growth rates we got. So you find out the this after simplification what you got, it is the this answer you have got 16.37% per decade. Okay, so the growth rate, the geometric mean of this growth rates we have got as to be 16.37% per decade. So now the value of R, that is your geometric mean, the mean of the growth rates, you have got it to be the answer you have got. So now you have to use the geometric increase method formula, and you need to find out the Pn value. Okay, now you need to find the Pn value. So let us see how they have solved. So here, this was the formula for geometric increase method. So now P naught, okay, now we don't have the value of P naught. Okay, sorry, P naught we have, P naught in the question, in the table, in the question we have, that is the initial population we already got. So after that we will solve. Okay, how will we solve? So R value already 16.37 you got, so you put it here, 16.37 divided by 100. So in this decimal you have got 0.1637. Okay, just solve it. So 16.37 divided by 100, then you just add this one, then you will get the the formula, something of this kind. Pn is equal to P naught 1.1637 to the power n. So n, what is n? We need to find out in the question. It is given that we need to find out the population after 3 decades. Okay, after the last population, that is 1970, we need to find the 3 decades, that is 1980, 1990, and 2000. Okay, so 3 decades we got. So similarly, as you have done for your arithmetic increase method, so we will be putting the value of n, and after solving solving this equation by putting n equal to 1, n equal to 2, and n equal to 3, you will get the answer for your all the 3 populations that is asked in the question. Okay, so like this you solve the geometric increase method. Okay, so I hope this one is clear to you. After the class, when you get time, so you just go through once to this numerical, then it will be more clear to you. Okay, you solve this numerical once. Yes.
Hello.
Yes.
Ma'am, how we should calculate the root 4?
How you, oh, in calculator you can do. Calculator is
Okay,
provided
okay.
to you, na? So it is there in the scientific calculator, the process. Or just you do it like you just calculate this one, this just 12 into 21.4 into 23.5, just multiply, and then you to the power, just you do 4 by 2. Okay, so 1 by 4.
4
Okay, 1 by 4 you do. 4 through
1 by 4.
yeah, you do it, and you, and in the calculator it's there only, you can just put it this formula, and you can just find out this one. Okay, okay, then okay, let us finish the next one also, the incremental increase method. Okay, the next one is your okay, this one, incremental increase method. So 3 methods we will learn for this forecasting. So your this incremental increase method, it is basically used in a city or a town where the population, it can increase also or it might decrease also. So it is not like a geometric increase method where the population is only increasing and increasing. It is not like that. So in your incremental increase method, it is said that here the population, it might increase or it might decrease. So in that kind of this city or in a town, you will be using the incremental increase method. So here also we have one formula. So this formula you can see Pn. Pn is equal to P naught plus n x bar plus n plus 1 divided by 2 into y bar. So now each denotions you know, pn you know, p naught you know, n you know, just we need to we have to know x bar and what is y bar. Okay, so these two values we need to find out. So here this x bar, it is your this your average increase. You see, average increase of population of known decades. And what is your y bar? It is average of incremental increase of the known decade. So these two meanings you will know after you solve the problem. Okay, then I will explain to you what is x bar and y bar. So the same numerical, okay, same question, same numerical, just they are doing it in the incremental increase method. So here your the first column and the second column and the third column. Here the first, second and third column is again the same. So as soon as you remember the arithmetic increase method, so you will be automatically you will be able to proceed for your geometric increase method and incremental increase method. Okay, so here this column 1, column 2 and column 3 is as similar as your arithmetic increase method. So up to here you have found out. So now the next column, it is being changed now. So it is, you have to find out the incremental increase. So whatever increase of population you got in column 3, so and from that you will be finding what is the incremental increase, what is the increase from this increase. Okay, so column 3, what is the incremental increase from the, suppose from 6,000 to 3,000. Okay, 3,000 to 6,000 is happening. So what is the incremental increase here? Okay, so what is the incremental increase here? So for finding out that, what you need to do, suppose this one is your P2, okay, this one is your P1, then comes your P3, okay, and last one is your P4. So to find out the incremental increase of this population, what you need to do, you have to subtract P2 minus P1. Okay, you have to subtract the P2 minus P1. So that is your 6,000 minus 3,000. So what you will get? You will get 3,000. Okay, then your 8,000, P3 minus P2 you will do. So it is 8,000 minus 6,000, you will get 2,000. And the last one is your 5,000 minus 8,000, that is your 3,000. Okay, so the values you have got. Okay, so the bigger population minus the smaller population. So like P2 minus P1, P3 minus P2, then P4 minus P3. Okay, the subsiding populations we have subtracted. So now what are these plus sign and minus sign? Okay, so here in the incremental increase method, the population, the incremental increase, there might be a incremental increase. Okay, so it might increase also and it might decrease also. So as per incremental increase method, in a city where the population, it might increase also and it might decrease also. So for that reason, so when you are subtracting 6,000 minus 3,000, it is a positive value. Okay, you get 3,000, so it is a positive value. So for that we are putting the plus sign here. Then again, you are subtracting 8,000 minus 6,000, you are getting a positive value, that is 2,000, which is a positive number. So you are getting plus sign here. So in the next case, if you see here, it is 5,000 minus 8,000, you get 3,000, but it is a negative value. That is your, you will be getting minus 3,000. Okay, 5,000 minus 8,000, you are getting minus 3,000. So for that reason, here the incremental, there is incremental in decrease. So here you just put minus sign. Okay, so now you just add the all the three values, okay, using the negative sign also. So like there are what is 3,000, it is plus here, then 2,000, it's plus here, so it is 5,000. Then here it's a negative sign, so you have to minus it. So it is 5,000 minus 3,000, you are getting 2,000. So 2,000 again, now you have got, after doing the calculation, you are getting it in a positive value. Okay, so you have got the positive value as 2,000. Just add the whole three, what you are considering, whatever sign conventions are here. Okay, so after that you find out the average. Okay, the average of this increment in increase population, that is, it is your x bar, and the incremental average in your incremental increase, that is your y bar, that is here whatever incremental increase you got. So you just take the average, so divided by 3, since here are 3 values, so divided by 3, and you will get they have got one value, that is 667. Okay, and which is a positive sign convention. And here also, so here since there are 4 values, so you just take the summation, and after that you just divide by 4, but to take the average of the x bar, so which is, you got it to be 5,500. Okay, so after finding this x bar and y bar, it is very simple. You just put it in the formula. So the formula, just now you have got the formula as this one. So Pn is equal to P naught plus Nx bar. So N, obviously it will be 1, then for the next decade it will be 2, then for the third decade it will be 3. Okay, so P naught is the last known population which is given in the question, that is, it is 1970. Then N is your 1, then X bar you have got it to be 5,500. Then what is Y bar? Y bar you got it to be 667. So all these values now you have, just put it and you find out the answer for your the population for P 1980, 1990, and 2000. Only thing that will change is your value of N. Okay, only this one will change. For the first decade it is 1, second decade it will be 2, then third decade it will be 3. Okay, so this is a very simple one. So just like this you find out the other 2 populations. Okay, I hope this one is clear to you. Not
Yes.
tough, not very tough numericals. Okay, these are very easy. Just need to you have to learn the formulas, and you have to remember the tables. Okay, so these 3 methods, be solve it in your home for more clarification. Okay, so okay, then it's time. So we will meet in the next class with another topic. Okay, I will give you the Google Form link in a while. Okay, then you fill up that one. Okay, thank you everyone. You may leave the meeting.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.